Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today is February 22nd, Tuesday. Let us start our daily technical analysis in gold. Before going forward with the analysis, we'll look at today's economic calendar and also look at dollar index. Then we'll go forward with the technical analysis in gold. So when we look at the economic calendar, Aussie dollar medium impacting news, and for New Zealand dollar also we have low impacting news, and we have low impacting news for other currencies also. And at 2:30 p.m. Indian time we have medium impacting news for euro, and again we have low impacting news for British pound, euro, and also for USD. At 8:15 p.m. we have medium impacting news for USD, and again 8:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for USD. So plan your trades based on this news schedule. Don't enter into the trades on a wrong time. Let us analyze the dollar index. I'm in dollar index 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the overall price action in dollar index, previously it tested the level of 96.13. Then from there it retraced and tested the level of 95.865. It couldn't break this high level or it couldn't break this low level. It is on a sideways. So currently it is a range bound market forming a double top pattern, then giving a bearish trend reversal. Again it has gone on a bullish trend. We can expect it to form a double top pattern and to retrace on the bearish side. So this level of resistance is preventing the market from going on a bullish side. If it goes on a bullish side, we already know that 96.299 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance. Overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading above this support level, which means that it is still a bullish trend. Let us start with the gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame in gold. When we look at the price action from daily time frame, this level is acting as a very strong resistance level, and currently when we notice the price action, it has momentarily breached this resistance line, test this resistance level of 1917. And when we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance, so we can expect the price action go and test this level of 1917 and to bounce back on the bearish side or to consolidate within this level, then to come on a bearish side trade, because we have seen a trend reversal from this price action in the past. But overall when we look at the price action, it is still on a retracement to the past price action. It is not making a new high or it is not making a new low, and currently the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. So this area between 1899 and 1917 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance level for the current price action. If the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1931. But still it is actually trading within this resistance or parallel zone over here, and even if the price action goes on a bullish side, we can expect it to take resistance at this level of 1931, then to bounce back on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I have drawn one more channel pattern over here. You can notice that whenever the price action tests this resistance line, it bounces back. Again it tried to retest on this resistance line. Again it has bounced back and it has taken support on the channel pattern support level and gone on a bullish side trade. Again this whole area is a strong resistance area from the daily time frame, and also it has tested this resistance level and also the bullish channel pattern resistance line and went on a bearish trend and took support on the previous support level of 1888, and again it is in a very strong bullish trend. Even if it goes on a bullish trend, as we know from the daily time frame, this level of 1917 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance line. So it is already entering into a very strong resistance zone from the daily time frame, so we can expect a trend reversal and retest on this channel pattern support line. But when we look at the momentum of the price action in daily time frame also, it is trading within a bullish channel pattern, which means it is going to test this level, then retrace and again go on a bullish trend and retest on this bullish channel pattern resistance line. As long as the price action is trading within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue for now. If this resistance level is broken, we can expect the next resistance level to be around 1931, and it is also intersecting with the daily time frame resistance line. Let us wait and see if the price action break this resistance level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. The values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price has tested this resistance level of 1914 and it is on a retracement. We can expect it to take support on this bullish channel pattern support level and to bounce back on the bullish trend. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue, and we have a very strong resistance level which is going to be around 1931. And overall, when we look at the price action, it is now trading in a very strong resistance zone from the daily time frame, so we can expect a bearish trend reversal at any moment. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. This is a bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, and I have drawn one more channel pattern over here. So currently the price action stopped moving on a bullish trend and it is currently moving on a sideways, and it is trading within this bullish channel pattern on a sideways market, but still it is going on a bullish side. Within this bullish channel pattern, it has tested this level of 1914 and it is on a retracement. I am expecting it to bounce back and take support on this bullish channel pattern support line, then to bounce back on the bullish trend. So the current trend in 30 minutes time frame also, it is in a very strong bullish trend for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action had formed a similar to a double bottom pattern and tested this resistance line from the bullish channel pattern. I am expecting a bearish trend reversal and to take support of this bullish channel pattern support line, then to go on a bullish trend. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a bullish trend to continue. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and we already know that the current price action is trading within the bullish channel pattern from the 30 minutes time frame, and every time the price action makes a trend reversal, it forms into a consolidation or a double top pattern, then a trend reversal happens. So currently the price action has formed a double top pattern. Wait for it to break this support level of 1910, then to go on a bearish side trade, because double top pattern means trend reversal. First level of support is going to be around 1904. Then if the price action falls further, we can expect it to take support on the next level of support, which is going to be around 1899. When we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance, so this will be acting as a very strong support when the price action retraces. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within this color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is taking support on this 1909 level, and if it breaks this level, next level of support is going to be around 1906. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.